Hello, this is Handy Andy, and I would like to take a close look at this 4-volt angle grip screwdriver from Hypertough. It's fully charged. There's this charging port. It takes a C-type charging cord and not sure what's happening. Okay, so the power button is, or on off button is located here. So you press the button and the red light came on and then green and spinning to the left. So now we push this button and it spins the opposite direction. So to change the direction, all you have to do is push the button. Interesting. It actually feels really nice in your hand. The finish, it's like silicone. Really good. Feels good to the touch. Silicone cover, and it looks really nice actually. The trigger is a little bit cheap looking, but the rest of the screwdriver is pretty good. So again, I like this feature with a LED light. I think it's really convenient. You can use it as a flashlight, mini flashlight, in dark spots like under the furniture or something. Actually, speaking about the furniture, I think this would be great to assemble like kitchen cabinets. In tight places where you have to reach and put a screw in to assemble it. I think this would be perfect. Well, perfect as long as you could put the screw in. Well, this is gonna be our next project. Let's see what this little screwdriver can do. Okay, so we can try these screws. We have 3 different types of screws, and I have a 2x4 and a metal stud. Turn it on, right? Go. Okay, the first is just a regular drywall screw. It seems like it doesn't take long to do the job. And again, you can use it with the extension. Let's see this one. What? This is self-drilling. It goes kind of easy, very easy. This is not for a construction worker that does 8 hours in construction, but for small jobs like hanging a picture. Check this out. Metal stud. Doesn't have a lot of speed, but no problem. No problem. Let's try another screw. Oh, this is easy. This is super easy. I'm impressed. So I have drill bits here, and I would like to try at least one. How about this one? 1/4 inch. I don't know. On. Quarter-inch drill bit. I mean, it's struggling. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. It's struggling. But 564. No problem. No problem. To pull the drill bit out is not easy because it's just a quick connection here, magnetic quick connection, but it was not bad for a tiny screwdriver. It was not bad. I mean, it's so tiny. I don't know. You can put it into your pocket easily.